In this short Kittl tutorial, I'm going to walk through how you can modify text so that it can fit inside a shape or whatever you're looking to do. So we're going to start off here on the template side on the left-hand side. I'm going to click on templates and you can look at different templates that you can use. Let's pick a template here. For example, for you, I'm going to pick this best mama ever. I'm going to click use template. And we'll see the template pop up now. And as I hover over the different words, you'll see the blue square pops up. So I'm going to click on best, for example. We're going to see a transformation option down near the very bottom. I'm going to click the plus button, and that will give me different transformation options. And one thing you can do is you can click the distort button. And the distort button means that you can change the way this text looks any way you like. So you can simply drag up or down the different pieces of text. Now, because this is a template, it's got different layers on it. So I'm actually going to go now to the starting point and I'm going to click on new project, and I'm just going to show you an easy example. So I'm going to click on new projects on the left-hand side, and I'm just going to pick a random popular artboard here, which is a poster size, and I'll click create. It could be any one. So here I've got my poster artboard set up. On the left-hand side, I'm going to go to the text tool, which is right here. I'm going to click on it, and I'm just going to click add headline. And that's going to give us a nice, easy to read font, and the word itself is headline. Now you can change this at any point. You can make it larger, you can rotate it, but what we want to do in this video is actually modify the text to fit a particular shape. So over on the right hand side, I'm going to go down to transformation, I'm going to hit the plus button, and we'll see there's different transformation options. And what I'm going to click on here is distort, and we'll see there's these different little nodes, and I can click on any of the nodes and just drag it, and that will actually make this a completely different shape. I can make it an oval. I can even drag the tip of it and I can really make it crazy looking. In addition to this, instead of distort, you can also do custom. And when you do custom, you're going to see these little nodes pop up throughout, and you can click on the little node and you can drag it and make it modified as well. So I typically will use those two options, the transformation button being custom and distort, and you can always click the reset button. So if you're busy transforming something and you don't like the way this looks, so for example, I've clicked distort and I'm going to click the little node here, and let's say you don't like the way that looks, simply click reset and that will reset your text back to baseline and you can move on. If you're really nervous about screwing something up, you can also do Control C and Control V, and that's a control feature where you can copy and paste. So now I've got two, so you can just keep this one off to the side. You can modify the first one. So here, for example, I've changed the way this looks, and if you're not happy with it, you could always just delete it out and just start again with a redo down at the bottom because I've copied it. I've clicked on the illustrations tab on the left-hand side, and we can see there's basic shapes. So I'm going to click on see all, and I'm going to click on a basic shape here like a heart. So I'm going to move the heart now, make this nice and big. I'm going to change the color of the heart over on the right-hand side. I'm going to make it red, and then I'm going to take my headline text and I'm going to move it now up into the heart. So I'll click on the heart, right-click, bring to the very back, send to back. So you could make the text fit inside the heart. Now you could just make it smaller, or you can make it larger and then actually edit this text. So I'm going to go down here to the transform button down on the right. I'm going to click distort, and now I can change the way this looks inside the heart. I can drag the nodes exactly right on the border here. So you can play around with it and you can make it fit inside of a particular shape. This is a really cool tool for t-shirts, print on demand, posters, that sort of thing. I'll put a link to Kittl in the video description below. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. That just means if you click on the link and you purchase the Kittl subscription, I would receive a small commission. Check it out today. Here's another video where you can have some fun using Kittl.